trailer.
Yeah,
Tom.
this is the coaches that Thomas
Yes.
pulled.
Go
But
ahead.
now Percy is pulling it. Because I lost the Thomas one. I have selection of toys. And those toys I'm going to be showing you. And it's called Thomas and Friends. Okay, we're going to start up with Percy. Percy have 6 small wheels and a puff horn and fire boilers in his thing and a 6 number with whistles and he has these 2 things on his driver thing. Thomas has 6 small wheels and a number 1 on his blue paint. His driver and fireman and 2 things on the back and 2 stuff on the back. His a little face and his puff thing. Thomas B's a little cheeky and he tries to push trains, but sometimes he's having accidents with the troublesome trucks because the troublesome trucks push on and he's not trying to annoy them. And when the fat controller tells Thomas to push when the fat controller tells Thomas to pull the trouble trucks, Thomas will push them, but second they'll speed him along too fast and it gets him in an accident. And when it gets in an accident, Thomas will get a confusion and delay. What the fat controller says. And Thomas likes to play with his friend Percy. Because my Thomas bike has let me tell you the safety stuff. Be safe, wear a helmet. Make sure steering and pedals are tight. Check your brakes. Do not ride at night. Read owner's manuals or manuals. Or questions. Call 1-800-551-0032. Made in China. Grabs. See? And we're gonna be showing you my other toys. So and this toy comes with Marshall in it. And we have something right here with the logo, 2 lights, and these.
Take too long on anyone. Move on to something else. And then you want to talk about, and what else? Tell us what else you're gonna get. Okay, so you want to tell us about it. Move on to something else. Don't take too long on one. You have the don't you have the?
These.
Okay. Tell me what in it. You must tell us the name of the truck. What's the name of it?
This toy, a Paw Patrol with a water thing right here, a ladder right here, a trunk right behind here, a thing right here, and a big thing right there, and we have this right there. right here. This toy can dig up some dirt. This toy can dig up some dirt. And let me show you the other one. This one digs up some dirt. The driver can and I like this planter thing because I like the movie of it. And I like it. I like the Black Panther one. Because it moves around and around. And it has stuff that can walk up. And it can hit people. And it can kick. It can kick like this. Or it can do this. Or it can do this. It can do that. This thing can also scratch. And the scratches are real in this thing. Let me show you. Let me show you. Like right here. It has its scratches come from Wakanda. And Batman comes with little claws right here. And he has his hands like this. He's only putting up a point finger. And the other side, he has this claw. And it helps you dig out the foundation of the house. And this toy has a lot of speed because of these three things. And you can open inside of it to let any of your person get inside. And you have this dig thing. This digs stuff up. How do you open this?